This has been a long-awaited tutorial, so let's get into it. I downloaded this Hibiscus Tumbler template from Cult Glitter, code BCM Saves. Next, I measured my 30-ounce tumbler and sized the template accordingly. I cut it into BCM tape, which is our double-sided adhesive, over top of a piece of black vinyl. With most templates, you're going to want to do the darkest color to the lightest color, so I'm starting out here with Black Magic from Cult Glitter. It is a really pretty holographic glitter, but the holographic shift is really subtle, and I think it's perfect for this design. I am going to take my time to make sure that I get all of the loose black glitter brushed off. And one thing I forgot to mention is that I do like to rub the front and the back of the template with a piece of a dryer sheet. That really helps with the glitter, especially if it's staticky from clean to the top or the bottom. And then another trick I've learned is to use a lint roller to help remove glitter as well, and that's going to keep your template nice and clean and reduce any glitter contamination. I'm going to use these two colors, Undead and Corrupt, to do my hibiscus flowers. And I'm going to do one flower at a time, and that's because I'm going to kind of do an ombre from one to the other. I'm going to use a brush to apply the glitter and just kind of tap it. I use the brush to pick up the glitter and then just tap it onto the template like you see me doing here. This method really helps to give it kind of a natural ombre between the two colors. Also, with doing templates, you'll see me a lot of times putting my glitter into little medicine cups and just working from those. That way I'm not contaminating the glitter back and forth. Once the two colors are on, I just take my brush and kind of swirl it all out. After I brush off the excess, that's what you're left with, and I think it looks so beautiful. And I'm going to continue to do this same technique with every single flower, so I am going to speed up the process here for you. The next color I'm using is called Crypt, and I think this is perfect for the leaves. And the last color I'll use is called Power. Once all the glitter is on, I'm going to take a little time to make sure that all the loose glitter is really brushed off. I really love how this tumbler turned out, so my next step will be to apply it to my tumbler and seal it, and then it'll be ready for its first coat of epoxy-free Hyperion top coat.